Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. What you are seeing right now isn't actually me. It is my AI avatar. And as you can see, it looks like me, it sounds like me, and it even moves like me, but it's really not me. Crazy, right? So right now, imagine being able to create videos like this without ever turning on your camera, without worrying about how you look, or even ever being in the room. That's the power of AI. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to build your own realistic AI avatar in just 3 simple steps. By the end of this video, you will learn how to create a digital version of you that can talk, present, and even move just like you. So let's dive in right now. So guys, just head over to your browser and just search for this platform called Ideogram. And as you can see, this one that says Ideogram AI, just search it like this and it's going to bring you to this point. Just click on this first one that says Ideogram AI. So once you come to Ideogram, the first thing that comes up is for you to sign up into the website. So you can just sign up using any of these. I'll just use my email account, my Google account. Okay guys, so once you sign in, they will bring you up to this welcome page. Just click on create your profile, and right here they will tell you to start creating. So just click on this one that says start creating. This see our plan means that you should subscribe to their paid version, but it's what I'll be showing you in this video. The free version is very much okay. So just click on start creating, and if you see they said introducing character, I'll just ignore that first, although that is what we are going to be using. But for now, let me just show you this platform. So if you look at this platform, if you are not already familiar with this platform, this is one of the best image creating platform. You can use this to create amazing images. So as you can see, all of these images right here was created with just simple prompts right here on Ideogram. So right now, for you to be able to achieve your talking AI avatar, what you need to do is to use the character feature right here on Ideogram. So Ideogram introduced this one that right here that is a character, and this is where you can upload an image of yourself or anybody you are trying to create an avatar for, and it's going to copy that person and give you other styles of images. So if you look at it here, let's create your first character, and right here all you just need to do is to click on upload and upload your image or the image of the person you want to create a character for. So right now, let me just click on upload and then upload my image. So once your image is uploaded, as you can see mine right here, this is an image of me. So right here, you can now go ahead to describe what you want your image to look like. So here are some templates. If I want my image to have this kind of feel while looking like me, I can just click on any of these templates right here. If I want myself to be blowing up a bubble gum or this kind of sketch pencil or any of these styles, all I just need to do is to just click on it and it's going to create one for me. So let's test this one right here that's like a magazine, and let me see how I am going to look. So as I just clicked on it, this came up for me right here, and right here at this point is where you can change some of your settings. So majorly what you'll be changing is just like your aspect ratio. Maybe if you are going to use for YouTube, you can just come here and change it to 16:9, and then you click on generate, and it's going to take Ideogram some seconds and it's going to generate your image, and we're going to see how this looks. So let's see how this one looks, and then we'll go ahead to now create your talking AI avatar just like the one I showed you at the beginning of this video. So amazing guys, if you look at it, this looks exactly like me in a different clothing and everything. So if you look at it, exactly like me, as if I am the one that took this picture. So this is what you can do with this character feature right here on Ideogram. So right now, let's go ahead and create your talking AI avatar based on the way you want it to be. So right now, replace this prompt with a prompt I got from ChatGPT. So right here in ChatGPT, this was what I asked ChatGPT, that I need a prompt to put me in a very well-looking content creation studio. Here I'm seated on the chair facing the camera with good lighting and good props. So ChatGPT gave me this prompt like this. So all I just need to do is to copy this prompt and head over back to Ideogram and paste the prompt. So right here on Ideogram, all I just need to do is to just click on this. As I've pasted my prompt, my new prompt right here, I just click on generate and I will see what it's going to generate. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is what I got from Ideogram generation right here. I got this one. I got a couple one because I tested a whole lot of them to see the one I'm going to like. But you can see at the end of the day, I love this one, which was the one I used for the video. And if you look at right here, you'll get to see that this was the prompt I used to achieve this. As you can see, this looks so realistic. And right now, what we'll be doing next is for me to go and animate this so that it can start speaking like me. So right now, just click on this point right here that says download and download this image to your device. And then we're going to head over to now start making this move and then also making it talk. So right now, in order to make this move, you'll be using a platform called Google Flow, which is also known as Google Veo 3, which is the popular one that everybody's using to create videos. So what you need to do is to get access to Google Veo 3, and for you to do that, just check on the link on the description of this video to watch a video I did on my channel on how to get access to Google Veo 3 for totally free, or just easily search on my channel for that video. So once you do that, just open up right here to this platform. So what you need to do right now is to import that image you created from Ideogram. And how do you do that? You see at this point right here that says text to video, just click on it and then choose this one that says frames to video. Also come to this point that says settings and click on it and ensure you are selecting one output and you're also selecting the model to be Veo 3 fast. You can also select Veo 2 quality if you want to save credit, but I just prefer to use Veo 3 fast. So select it like this and you are good to go. So right now what you need to do is to import your image. Just click right here. As you can see, it's going to show you that you should import your image. Just click on upload like this. So once you click on upload, you select your image. As you can see, my own image is right here. So I've selected it. Just select only the first frame. You don't need to select anything on the second frame. So once you are done selecting that, what you need to do right now is to paste a prompt on what you want your image to be doing. So as for me, I want it to be doing some gestures like it's talking to the camera. And if you don't know what to write, just head over back to ChatGPT and tell it to give you a prompt of that same person that you generated for the person to now be talking to the camera. So as you can see, this is what I asked ChatGPT to give to me for a gesture of the person moving, and it's just something simple. So right now, I'll just copy this and go and paste in Veo 3. So once I paste it in Veo 3, all I just need to do right now is to just click on this one that says send. And once I send it, it starts generating my video for me. So once my video is ready, as you can see right here, I can just play it to preview it. So if you look at it, so as you can see, it's very, very nice. The quality is clean and the gestures are really, really human. So one thing is that it doesn't have a voice, and the reason why is because Veo 3 doesn't give you the option to upload your own voice. So I just make sure that it doesn't have a voice from the prompt I gave to it. So all I just need to do is to click on this one that says download and then click this one that says upscale. Once you upscale it, then you download it to your device. Once you download it to your device, we are going to head over to the third point where you will now be syncing your audio for it to sound with your own natural voice or any voice that you have. And the platform we'll be using for that is called Sync AI. So on your browser, just head over and search for this platform that says sync.so, or just simply click on the link on the description of this video and it's going to bring you to this platform. So this is one of the best AI lip syncing platforms. It easily syncs your video to any voice that you give to it. As you can see, they have the free version, and with the free version you can achieve to create a whole lot of video. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you a hack on how you can always use Sync sync.so for free and create a whole lot of lip syncing for yourself. So right now, just click on this that says try sync for free, and you'll be prompted to register with your Gmail or your GitHub account, or even just your normal mail. Just click on anyone and just register with continue with Google. So once you are in, you'll be brought over to this simple interface, and as you can see, they just say browse, drag and drop your video. So the first thing you need to do is just bring in the video which you already created from View 3. So once you upload your video right here, you can see right here this option that says upload or generate speech. This is where you get to then do your lip syncing. Now, if you want to upload your own voice, just ensure you have recorded your voice on your phone or with any tool that you use for your recording, and then have the mp3 file of that your voice, and then just click on upload, and then you bring in your own voice. Or if you just want to use normal speech, they also have their own speech right here. So you can just paste in your text right here of what you want to be said in this video, and then select any of their voices that you have right here. As you can see, these are their voices here.
Looking for an authentic warm English accent? Look no further. Whatever your voiceover needs, I'm the guy.
So as you can see, they have these voices right here if you wish to do one without your voice. But if you are doing just like me, I use my voice, just click on this upload and bring in your own voice. And one thing you need to know is that at a time you can only bring in about 1 minute of audio. So just click on it and upload like 1 minute, then you do it multiple times. And if you hit the limit, don't worry, I'm going to show you a hack on how you can always increase your limits with this platform. So let me just upload this audio and let's test it and see how it sounds. So my lip synced video is right here, and if I just click on this point that says play, you'll get to see how it sounds. Look of it all is artificial intelligence, which is popularly known as AI. So this is a tool that is already changing the way we live, the way we work, and even the way we create things. Okay guys, so you can see how amazing this sounds. This is moving just like me, and one amazing thing that this platform does is that it helps to zoom in and zoom out your video. As you can see from the one in View 3, it was not zooming out, but they automatically added a zoom in and zoom out, and then as you can see, my lips is accurately lip syncing just with this video that had no audio. So guys, this is how you actually do it. So once you are done, you are satisfied with everything, just hit on this point that says download the video, and it's going to bring you over to your video, and then you can head over to start using your video for whatever you want to do with your video. So guys, this is just how to create an avatar of yourself talking like yourself without you ever being on the camera. And this is so amazing in just these 3 simple steps that I've walked through. So right now, just like I said, for those who stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you a hack on how you can get access to this platform for free all the time. Because one thing with this platform is that when you start generating multiple audios, they start to charge you to a point. If you look at it right here, they say live usage. You get to a point where they will tell you to start paying money. So, but for now, how do you get it for free? The simple hack is just for you to use what we call a temporary email. And for you to get a temporary email, all you just need to do is to head over to your browser and just search for temp mail, just like this, and just search it, and then you can use any of the temp mail platforms out there. As you can see, there are a whole lot of temp mail platforms. And what these temporary emails do is that they give you temporary emails that you can use to sign up on any website without having to use your real email address. So right in your temp mail box, as you can see right here, this is the email that they have given to you. Just copy this email like this and head over back to the website sync.so, and instead of registering with Google or GitHub, just register with that your temp mail address. Then click on continue, and then you receive a code sent to your temp mail address. Just get your code from your temp mail and then sign up, and you'll be brought into your account. And also you can also test other email address. If you have multiple email address, you can also do that. It's just the strategy for getting more audio from this AI platform sync.so. So guys, this is how to create a talking avatar that looks exactly like you and even talks exactly like you, with real and accurate gestures, and also with a very amazing background. So guys, if you got value from this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I drop amazing AI videos just like this. And also, this is another video that YouTube is recommending that you watch on my channel. I will see you in that video.